Good day, everyone. Today, I will make a speech about what can be done to facilitate curriculum implementation. But before that, I will introduce myself. I am Maynard Andrei Mahilum, a student in Central Mindanao University. And now, how important teachers are. Teachers play an important role in our life to become successful in careers and business. A good teacher helps us to become good human beings in society and good citizens of the country. Teachers know that students are the future of any nation. So, the future development of any nation is in the hands of teachers. What we become in life is depends on teachers. Teachers impart the data and information in the brain of student to analyze. Analyzing the situation, what is possible is the most important thing that we learn from teachers. Appreciation of teachers is very important because they are the most important people in the country. What we're seeing today is business, politics, and society is all affected by teachers. And this part, let us proceed to curriculum implementation. Curriculum implementation refers to how teachers deliver instruction and assessment through the use of the specified resources provided in a curriculum. Curriculum designs generally provide instructional suggestions, scripts, lesson plans, and assessment options related to a set of objectives. According to Ms. Wabi, 1993, conceptualized the term implementation simply as process of putting an agreed plan, decision, proposal, idea, or policy into effect. Curriculum implementation includes the provision of organized assistance to staff or teacher in order to ensure that the newly developed curriculum and the most powerful instructional strategies are actually delivered at the classroom level. Curriculum implementation process involves helping the learner acquire knowledge or experience. It is important to note that curriculum implementation cannot take place without the learner. The learner is therefore the central figure in the curriculum implementation process. Although there are various factors that also influence curriculum implementation like the resources, materials and facilities, the teachers, the school environment, culture and ideology. Instructional supervision and assessment implementation take a place as the learner acquires the intended experiences, knowledge, skills, idea, and attitudes that are aimed and enable the same learner to function effectively in a society. Therefore, putting the curriculum into operation requires an implementing agent. Stenhouse identifies the teacher as the agent in the curriculum implementation. She argues that implementing is the manner in which the teacher selects and mixes the various aspects of knowledge contained in a curriculum document or syllabus into practice. Curriculum implementation therefore refers to how the planned or officially designed course of study is translated by the teacher into syllabuses, themes of work, and lessons to be delivered to students. The implementation, as the essential part of curriculum development, brings into existence the anticipated changes. The changes can occur in several ways. The two most obvious ways are slow change. This occurs, for instance, when we incorporate minor adjustment in the course schedule, when we add some books to the library, or when we update the unit plan. Okay. How can we improve curriculum implementation? First, professional learning and community support establish collaborative teaming. Second, develop learning targets and common formative assessments. Third, personalized learning for all students. Fourth, assessment analysis and data-based decision making. And the fifth, continued development of curriculum improvement. How do teachers do curriculum implementation? Teachers build lessons that include simulations, experiments, case studies, and activities to deliver curriculum. This interactive approach intertwines curriculum and practical experiences that immerse students in learning. What is the importance of curriculum implementation? Okay. It helps to cope with new technology changes. It makes the teacher to be a systematic in delivery. It helps to make the curriculum irrelevant to the needs of the learner and the society as a whole. There is need to ensure effective use of curriculum resources so as to enhance maximum productivity in school. How will curriculum evaluation improve the curriculum? Curriculum evaluation aims to examine the impact of implemented curriculum on student or learning achievement so that the official curriculum can be revised if necessary and to review teaching and learning processes in the classroom. Inputs needed for improve learning and teaching in the course for monitoring. Are teachers really important in the curriculum implementation? Without doubt, the most important person in the curriculum implementation process is the teacher. With their knowledge, experiences, and competencies, teachers are central to any curriculum development effort. Teachers, being the implementers, are part of the last stage of curriculum development process. What are the needs? What are needs and importance of curriculum implementation? It helps in the selection of learning experiences. Curriculum development is needed for appropriate selection and organization of learning experiences. It helps in the selection of the study matter and other activities so that learners are able to acquire goals and objectives of teaching. What is curriculum improvement? Curriculum improvement is the process of continuously making instruction better based on students' needs. Then you can develop curriculum that will meet the needs of your students. After you have implemented the curriculum, it's time to access the start the cycle again. Okay. Let's go to group teaching. Small group teaching. When we say small group teaching, means that splitting the group into different ability groups and teaching the children with different approaches. This would help the children learn by imitating and helping each other and apply what they have learned to other situations. Small group teaching also helps to reinforce the children's ability to communicate and to cooperate with each other. The take the teaching of color concept for instance. The teachers can set the children baseline according to assessment result to split the class into three groups as follows. First, Letter A, junior group. In this group, the concept of red and blue colors is taught, and the children are taught through a matching game to put the cubes in boxes of corresponding colors. Intermediate group. In this group, the concept of red, yellow, and blue, green colors is taught with one type of teaching aid, such as cubes. The children asked to pass cubes of the same color to the teachers and they name the color after him. Senior group. In this group, the concept of red, yellow, blue, green, black, and white is taught with different types of teaching aids, which include cubes, beads, Lego, and etc. Individual teaching. This allows learning materials to be tailored to meet the specified needs of individual children. The teacher can focus his attention exclusively on individual children, and likewise, the children only need to attend to one teacher and one set of learning materials during this period. This is the end of my speech. I hope you've gathered some information, and that would be all. Thank you, and God bless.